scraping master. Jangan selawat. Hai suap. Low life papa. Don't drop your car. Away. Dia dah anis sekali karena dah bikin kan. Loyal sa fadlo. At as yun pangarap tayo. Kaya tayo kasi hindi champion sa gloss. Yan, aesthetic pa. Hard gesak. As you can see, we have the super low. Look at that fitment. Yeah, no bags needed. Super low, expensive landing. E46 here. We are just attempting to put a bolt into that plate there. As you can see here is the bolt. Reason for that is because the car is scraping now. That whole plate is hanging loose, so we just want to fix that. Scraping mask, sobra. Saya ay plug stel wara. Stel no. Allah. Chop. So since we took the sap and out of the car, we are gonna remove the wiring. We're gonna remove the wiring because it's not needed anymore. Because I'm not playing on my sap. Clean. I'm taking the whole sound system out of the car. I'm just leaving the speakers in the door and the 6x9s and the tape inside the car. So we are quickly gonna attempt doing that, and I'm quickly gonna put you guys in the time lapse. Happening. So if you can check here, it's not a nice and needy job. The car is extremely dirty, as you can see. This is the power wire that runs all the way from the front of the battery through here. Just removing this cover quickly. So it runs from the battery all the way through here. Okay, we need to loosen that clip there. It runs all the way. As you can see, here it is. From the front of the car to here. So we are taking it out. This is just the remote wire that comes from the tape. So that is also coming out. And the RCA leads, these are also coming out. Let me quickly show you. These are also coming out. These are actually running that side. So these and the remote wire, the blue one, is running that side all the way underneath the dash to the tape. So we are quickly gonna take that out. This is just the ground. I think it's mounted underneath my seat here. It's extremely dirty. So okay, yeah, as you can see, here is the ground. So just gonna loosen that 10 nut, then we are good to go. So I'm gonna put you on a time lapse while I'm taking out this side. So I actually took off the fuse, um, there inside, next to the battery that is running on this wire, because I just want to pull it out, and that's what I'm trying to do now. So there you go, it's all out. You can see this side is a bit black because it was in the engine bay. So yeah, this is good to go. Just gonna neatly store this somewhere. Then we're gonna do the other side. So if you, I'm just taking this out because I'm not gonna use this in this car anymore. So if you actually wanna, or I'm actually gonna put it away, and if I find the need again, maybe in the future to put this back in the car, I'll do. But for now, I might sell the car. I got plans for the car, so I might sell the car. That's why I'm taking this out. We are quickly gonna do the tape. So we're gonna unplug everything, the remote wire, and the RCA leads. We're gonna unplug those. Gonna unplug those so that we can take it out that side. So this is also an easy job. You just, I don't know in other cars, but mine just pull out, and you will find. Let me quickly. You will find it here. There's the RCA leads, and here's the remote wire. There's the remote wire. So I'm quickly gonna take it out. That it's running all the way that side. Actually, ran into a problem. So let me quickly put on the flash. Okay, there we go. Focus. So this side it's actually stuck. So which means is I need to I need to do this, or I need to take out this whole piece. I need to take out this whole section here. I need to take off out because it's actually stuck. It's actually stuck that side. So okay, this is actually an easy job. If you want to see how to take off this climate control panel, you can check my other video. I already upload one of those, so you can just go and check the other videos, my previous videos. There you can see there's our problem. It's actually tangled here between the other wires here. So we just, okay, that one is loose. Okay, so here's the remote wire. So which one did I just, okay, no problem. So here's the remote, and there are those two. Quickly gonna pull them here. There we go, it's out. uh okay, so those are out, so I'm just gonna pull them, loosen. I'm just gonna loosen those covers, and I'm gonna pull them out at the back. Yeah. um don't know if you can see. Okay, so here's the cover, and here's the wires, the RCA lead and the remote wire. So it's actually running all the way underneath this carpet. So I'm just gonna pull the carpet forward. As you can see, let me show. As you can see here, it's coming through. Pull it out the side. Yeah, I might just damage this one. Okay, Okay, it's out. As you can see, it's fully out. It's fully out. This car actually needs a proper wash because it's extremely dirty. Look at that. Underneath here is obviously it's gonna be clean, but this map, yeah, extremely dirty. So we are at the back. The car is extremely dirty due to the dust here. We're just attempting to remove this car here. As you guys can see here, I've got the wires all the way out. So once you install your sound, that is all you're gonna do. You're gonna lay the RCA leads and the remote wire underneath this panel all the way to the front, all the way through there, going up to the tape. So you're gonna do that, and obviously the battery wire, I think this is a 12. Let me quickly check. Dixon. Okay, we actually don't have it, but I think it's a 12 gauge wire that is running. It's running all the way this side to the battery. So reason for the wires the battery wire running this side and the RCA leads running that side. Reason being is because once you put them all together running in one channel, it's gonna make that funny noise on your sound system once you play. So to prevent that, you just separate them, running those that side and running the power cable this side. Think I might just end today's video, put the covers back and end today's video here because as you can see we don't have that much content. Okay, so without further ado, that will be all for today's video. You guys, hope you guys like the content so far. Please guys, comment down below what content should I do next. I'm actually trying to contact with the buddies here in the town so we can put their cars on because here in our town there's a lot of nice cars, so I'm trying to get in contact with them to put their cars on the channel. So guys, if you are seeing this video, I don't know how many of you guys in our city in our town is watching this videos, is watching my channel. So if you are seeing this, comment down below or hit me up so I can do a video on your car, maybe a rundown, so the people can see. Peace out.